What's up? Just stopped by Toyota and Dodge Garage today. I've got some really tired speakers in this 2006 Tundra. So, we're doing a little review on these. Now, you're not going to win any bass competitions with these, but right now, I think Best Buy has them on sale, half price, $19.99. So, let's get started. Alright, I didn't find a whole lot of content out there on how to remove a Tundra door card. So this is a 2006. If it looks like this should help you out. Now typically there's a little cover right here for this screw, but as you can see, our trusty Tundra, it no longer has it. It's no longer blessed with it. So we're going to just go ahead and take that out. Boom. Alright, now the second order of operations to get this little guy here. Boop. There's a sneaky little screw in there. Just like that. Now, your last sneaky screw right here by the door handle. What you're going to do is take your little box knife, and it literally could just fall out just like that. But there you go. Okay. Now, typically there are these little pins here on this door card that you have to push in, and they just pull right out. But our Tundra is no longer blessed with it. So, anyway, looks like somebody's put a handy dandy screw in place of that. But anyway, that's where they reside. Okay. Now, to get these little handles, these door switches off, it's not that bad. Alright, you just hold in here and you pull toward you and up. Okay? Toward you and up. Just like that. And you just unclip the wire. Now, on this, you got to get this little trim ring off, and you see the lock mechanism here. You get you a nice flat head. Now, when I mean nice, I say Milwaukee. You just kind of pry a little bit here. Give it a little support, and then next thing you know, there it is, just like that. Now, all right, let's just do a check. We're ready to come off. Now you might see some speaker debris coming out. All right, now once you got her good and loose, you see how that's good and loose. Now you just chop straight up. And there's only one little wire left. If you have a friend in whom you trust, you might want to get them to do that for you. Now, see? We're all dismantled. If you want to come in here and zoom in on how bad
the speaker is?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we're definitely gonna...
You have to do it like that.
Lordy. Oh my goodness. Let's get down here and get a little bit closer to this so our viewers can see the lack of speaker. Yep, that's done. Definitely done.
Okay, so this is the factory Toyota housing. You're just going to get yourself a 10 millimeter if you haven't lost them all yet. There it is. Very tired.
Worn out. Is that a plastic cone?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Now this was a baseline truck. I don't think it had the JBL, but I'm afraid they probably wouldn't have fared any better. Alright, now I don't know if you guys can see this, but the Toyota factory housing has these little webs here, and you're just going to cut those out. You're going to cut them out. So let me get the tool. Alright, so to cut these out, I'm going to use a Milwaukee multi-tool M18.
Thanks again for watching another video of Toyota and Dodge Garage. Hope you enjoyed it. And the special guest, my brother, doing a speaker install on this truck. He'd already done the passenger side and a new head unit. So stay tuned for more videos. We'll catch you later. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. And also check out this video.